This is the AI skills for communication and business success. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa, and I'm going to be your facilitator, and I especially welcome you to this course. Are you the one who is waiting for AI to get over, for everybody to get into the bus before you get into it? If you are the one, then maybe this course is not for you. But are you also the one who is willing to use AI to enhance your career, to enhance your business, and to help you succeed in whatever endeavor you get yourself into? There's AI for health, AI for opportunities. We, in this course, what are we looking at? We are going to explore how to use AI to create websites. Yes, you heard that right. Under 5 minutes, you can create websites using AI. You can also create business presentations like slides. You can also create business plans, marketing videos. You can also monetize your craft using AI. How can we use AI to create slides? How can we use AI to create online courses? How can we use AI to even discover new opportunities in our area of interest? And how can we use AI to communicate, to learn how to speak in public? All these are covered in this course. If you also want to take it a little higher, we've explored how to use AI to write business plans, to get proposals out there as NGOs. Also, how can we use AI to do monitoring and evaluation? How can we use AI to do basic things like logo, flyers? And how can we use AI to write media content and post? All this, you are going to explore this in this AI course. I just want you to know that this is a worthy investment that you've done. And if you take it a little higher, you will be in the near future. Modern communication is here, and you need to take advantage of opportunities like this. So get ready, get in, learn to use the prompts. If you learn to even get the prompt engineering concept, I'm telling you, the AI tools to use for what and for how you are going to get better when it comes to AI. You also know that there are aggregators that you can go into, get into, log on to, and get all the AI tools and platforms. We are exploring this in this AI course. At the end of this session, or at the end of the course, you have the opportunity to also reach out to me if you want one-on-one coaching, and also if you have further questions as to which prompts, and if you don't understand anything, just reach out to me and we are going to get you sorted. I believe in you, and I believe that this is the time for you to take yourself, to take your career, to take your business to the next step of AI. Why? Because AI is the future, and AI is now. You need to learn AI. You need to invest in AI. If you don't, someone will invest in AI, create a job, and employ you to do that. And I don't like that because you are my friend. Thank you very much. I believe in you. May God bless you.